Sekusele izinsuku ezimbalwa ngaphambi kokuthi abafundi baka-matric ka-2025 bebhale izivivinyo zabo zokuphela konyaka. eGauteng zingaphezu kwenkulungwane izikhungo okuzobhala kuzo abafundi kusukela mhla zingu-21 kuMfumfu. Abafundi banxuswe ukuthi bagxile ezifundweni zabo.
I urge you to disconnect from social media during this critical period. These platforms, which can be wonderful tools for connection, too often become breeding grounds for anxiety, false information, and cyberbullying during exam time.
Abafundi bebese befunga ukuthi bazobhala ngokuzimisela belandele imithetho yokubhala izivivinyo ngobuqotho.
I pledge to uphold the principles of honesty and integrity in this examination by
It is a promise to write with integrity, a promise to write with honesty, not only to myself, but to the nation.
Lesi sifungo siqinisekiswe ngumphathiswa wezemfundo eGauteng.
And sign your names. Remember, you are not just promising to write examinations honestly. You are promising to write your life story with integrity.
Lesi sifungo sasungulwa ngo-2013 ngowabe engungqongqoshe wezemfundo u-Angie Mthekga. Izivivinyo zika-matric zizoqala ngoMsombuluko ngesifundo se-Computer Application Tech.